going to be showing you how I did these trendy cow print nails today. We're going to start off by prepping our nails, and we're going to do that with a buffer just to even out any roughness that we may have on the nail. I'm now going to go ahead and grab my stiletto tips. I actually grabbed these on Amazon and they are by the brand BeYou. I did find the smallest pinky nail that they had in the kit was a little bit too big for me, so I went ahead and filed down the sides of the nail so I can fit onto my nail properly. So now that we're all done, I'm going to go ahead and file down the extension tip and just make sure it's blending into my real nail. I'm going to be using the IBD Builder Gel, and this is in the color pink. I usually like to apply my builder gel in a circular motion, and I use a very light hand for this. I'm just removing the sticky layer off the nails that's left over from the builder gel. And now I'm going to go ahead and file and shape my nails. I'm also going to make sure I remove any rough edges that may be left from the builder gel or any divots. By the way, I usually use a drill to file down my nails, but I decided to use the file instead today, and I really liked how they turned out. All done, and this is how the shape turned out. I'm actually really happy with the shape. Now I'm just applying my base coat, and this one is from Bossy Gel. I'm going to apply Peach Tea from BioSeaweedGel, and this is going to be my base color. This was my inspiration for my nail look. I'll actually link their profile down below because I found this on Instagram. As you can see, I decided to just go in with the white polish instead. I did find the application to be better and it was less time consuming. And since I was going for that messy look, I actually liked it better. And to finish off, I am using Essie's matte top coat. Once I'm done applying and curing my matte top coat, I go ahead and remove the sticky layer off my nails, and I go in with my cuticle oil and apply that all over my cuticles. And we are all done. This is the finished look. I really hope you like this video and feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.